Welcome to another tutorial here on Divi. Today we just want to go over something quite simple, which is how to fix the CSS error, which is the expected RBrace. So basically the RBrace, as you can see here, is the unexpected token, or the expected RBrace or unexpected token. So what are these things? If you scroll through on our blog here, you can see it's displayed over here. There's the element that you want to actually target, but with these CSS, but then it's kicking out the error expected RBrace, unexpected token. So it's right there. You can see that it's not expecting this right bracket. So what can we do about this? Well, let's jump into an example and we can have a look. So if we jump into over here, we go to advanced and we look at custom CSS and we go to the module elements where we were. You can see there's the exact same issue that's been had. So what is the issue here? Well, if we scroll up a little bit more, you can see that in the module elements, it's target predefined selectors within this element without the need to write the selector's name. So what you would do is you would actually only write the CSS itself and not include the selector's name. So if we go back to this one here and we take away the selector as well then as the brackets, you'll see the error will go away and all of the stuff has changed to red. Alright, so this can be a bit confusing because if you go to freeform CSS and you type the same in there, here it works. Right, so why is that? Well, let's look again at what they're telling us. With freeform CSS, you have to write using the keyword selector to target the particular module. So the difference between the two is this one is an open-ended where you can go and you can target any module, that element that you want to target. Whereas in the module elements itself, Divi has already made it simple for us, and they have highlighted and made that this is the main element. So it's already targeting that element. So when you are writing the selector H1, or in this case selector P, it's going to be double up because it's already targeting that paragraph content, but you're not telling it to target that paragraph content. And so therefore it's going to tell you that the right brace is unexpected. All right. So the main thing is always to look at and to read the error that you're getting, and then come back and read the actual instructions that Divi is giving us too. That always helps to clear things up. I hope this helps to give you a little bit of insight. If not more, you can always head over to my blog, dividuck.com, and you can go through the actual explanations in more detail as to why this happens and how you can overcome it. So the only other thing is, as it states here in the article, is that if you are entering the CSS in the theme options, let's just call it same one, we have it like that. You can see it's got an error. What's the error? It's expected RBrace at line 2, column 2. So that one is telling me then, because it's expecting it, I'm obviously missing an RBrace. So add that in and it's gone. Okay. I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions regarding this kind of thing, just let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one.